If you are looking for a terrace house that is not a typical 1600 to 1800 square feet land size, this spacious and functional terrace that I'm going to show you today may be the house for you. Hi everyone, my name is Brendan from OrangeTee and Thai AAG Division. Today, Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772 is here at Kembangan Estate, District 14. Come, join me and have a look at this lovely house. Sitting on a freehold land of 2023 square feet with an approximate built-up area of 2,500 square feet, this renovated 2-story Inter-Terrace comes with 6 bedrooms and most importantly, it has an ensuite guest room and a helper's room on the ground floor. Conveniently located near to Eunos and Kembangan MRT stations, good school and amenities, this could be the perfect home for you and your family. If you like what you have seen, give me a call at 9848 7772. Landed Dynamic Alliance at 7772, your compass for landed property.
AAG, the #1 top division in Orange Tea and Thai.